Hello everyone, I see Home Central Kablago. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about TBC because I have an exciting news for you guys about the wallet. Most of you guys probably have checked their wallet and seen that their transaction history is displaying, and also see that some people are seeing their balance, some people are not seeing their balance. Okay, but before I dive straight to show you guys my own wallet, I just want to talk something about to share my opinion about the experience that I acquired during this period that the wallet was under maintenance. I think being in a position I am to educate people about TBC, being out there, so a lot of people contact me, and it gets to show that there are a lot of people out there who are TBC members, but they lack the belief in TBC. I guess because they came in during the good times, and for them to experience the issue with the wallet, they are now freaking out. Okay, and it's normal. It's normal. But the thing is this: the reason I'm saying what I'm saying right now is that we need to have that undying belief about TBC. Look, okay, I've seen the worst of what could have happened to TBC. You get what I'm saying? And this what happened with the wallet is just child's play. Because what happened with the TBC 004 wallet was humongous. Okay? Many people believed that TBC was a goner. Like, it's gone. Nothing more. Nothing less. TBC is not coming back. But to our greatest surprise, because at that time it was a test for TBC admin to actually see who he or she really is. Because some people would have, hey, pack the bag. Hey, since everybody's talking bad about TBC and they don't believe about TBC or that TBC will survive, okay, I think I'm going to go. Just pack my bags and call this project, call it a closed case. But he or she didn't. I don't know who he or she is, but I remember I did series of videos about during that period. At that point, I was releasing videos on a daily basis, like I'm doing right now. Okay, a lot of calls from people, concerns from people, busy educating people, telling people what to do while waiting for the wallet to come back online. Stuff like that. A lot of things was going on. And the TBC had made one of the mistakes he made then was giving a set time frame. Okay, but guess what happens? You never know with technology because this is new. Okay, this is not like your Fortran 77 that you've been taught in school that everybody have experienced. This is new. Cryptocurrency is new. So as with new things, we have to have the mindset of okay, this has happened. What next? Especially when you know that the admin is a credible person. Okay. So the reason I'm saying this is because I've been there. I've seen the worst case scenario when it comes to TBC. Okay. There were periods that you're looking at your wallet and you just know that the wallet is useless. You get what I'm saying? So for this to happen, I wasn't shaking. Okay, because I know this is little. And I understand the TBC have been not giving a time frame because in the past he has had his hand burnt by giving a time frame. And when the experts he called and didn't deliver within that time frame, people started calling him out, insulting him, going on trolls were everywhere on Facebook calling TBC different names and stuff like that. So I understand why he didn't go and give a time frame. He just said it's going to take some days. But for us to know, he will release he will release an article on the blog. That is why I keep emphasizing on to people. Why are you not reading the blog? Okay, I even started pushing people towards the blog when they call me and ask me what's the latest. Okay, because you made an invest you let me call it an investment. You made an investment in something that is new. It's your duty to make sure that you're constantly monitoring what you invested. And we're lucky that we have a blog where information is being delivered by the TBC admin himself. Satoshi Nakamoto, nobody knows who he is. He doesn't even run a blog. All he did was run the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain. That's it. Okay? Nobody knows who is it. There's no particular blog that is telling you the development of Bitcoin, the challenges, whatever they are facing. No, you don't get that. What you hear is speculative information or information from forums. Okay, you hear things about what's it called, splitting, hard fork, and the rest of them. Nobody's can explain to you what those things are. But the TBC admin is bringing out time to make sure that we have a suitable channel for information and people don't read that information. That's a pity. That's a pity. We need to turn the TBC blog into our Bible in TBC or into our Quran in TBC or whatever Bible or whatever book you're using in your religion. We need to make it that so that we do not start falling prey to our own what will I call it? Our own anxiety. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, having said this, okay, the wallet is back online, so I'm going to go straight to my wallet, okay? But since the TBC admin has not released any article, it goes to show that work is not yet done. All right? So the TBC admin has not released any article, so that means work is not yet done. As you can see, I can see my balance. Okay, my balance is not displayed, meaning the synchronization is not yet done. So don't go and start doing transactions. Two, send button is off, meaning the work is not done, and the TBC admin is trying to prevent people because I know how people behave. Okay, in the TBC 004 when we had send buttons and TBC admin was writing mail, hey, don't do transaction. We're trying to, confirm the, confirm the transactions we're already hanging in the blockchain. People didn't read the blog. They went ahead and started pumping transactions. One TBC, two TBC. Then there was no regulation. Then there was no $10 fee. So you had a lot of people discounting TBC massively. It was a make or break point for TBC at that point. But I'm glad that we got to this point. So, guys, the wallet is back online, so you should stop allowing your anxiety get the best of you. So the other thing there is that the TBC admin is yet to release an article or a post or information about the wallet. So that means that work is not yet done. So if tomorrow you see it back into maintenance mode, get don't get annoyed, okay? Don't be afraid, okay? Don't allow your anxiety to get the best of you because the TBC admin, his focus or his or her focus is to make sure that the wallet is working perfectly fine. And before, from his experience with us as technicians, he has learned not to give hint to he is 100% certain that whatever it is that he's working on is correct or the maintenance is over. So right now the maintenance is not yet over. I don't have my send button and my balance is not showing. So if you're experiencing the same thing, do not panic. All right. So as you almost said, go subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching this video and you're not a subscriber yet. Subscribe, click the notification bell. Until I see you next time, take care and remain blessed.